Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so we bounced off of the 50 here on the 25th on Wednesday. We're kind of flagging back up to the 9-day. The 9-day has been resistance for 2 days, including today. It stopped price in its tracks yesterday. You can see the daily mid-band just kind of bisecting price, and you can see the bands are starting to come in as a result of that. The bandwidth is 3.86, so it's nothing to get excited about. But for me, the reality is if the 9-day continues to hold and you break the 50, chances of going down to this 100-day exponential, that happens to coincide with the lower band right now, it's looking pretty good. If you convert the 9-day to support, you certainly go up and test the 30.25 to 30.26 area. Potentially further, you take out the all-time high. Now, is all that going to happen today? I don't know. But what I do know is that, depending on whatever the latest, headline that comes out one way or the other, there's certainly the potential to move this tape at any time. Hourly chart, I want to back this out a second just so we can get a little sense of the upside. So look, here's 25.75. There's the retest of that area, 25 even. We've had a bunch of lower highs. This was the move to the 50, and you can see it kind of trying to build itself back up from there. I'm wondering if it's a massive bear flag that is going to kind of, peter out somewhere between here and 98. The peak so far of the rally is 95, so ideally it wouldn't come across that, and it would break down and make a new lower low. A new lower low would be a trade below the 50-day, and the 50-day could potentially open up the move to the daily lower band. As far as the short term, off the open, you've got hourly mid's pretty far away. It's down at 82. You got a bunch of stuff bunched up in the 88 area. They took it back into yesterday's regular session opening print, 86.5. They printed matching lows there. So we're just kind of jammed up between 86 and 91. This is one of these opens where I'm going to sit back and kind of let it develop. But if we continue to make lower highs, then eventually this 93, 94 area is going to hold, and we will head lower over time. The week's in good shape. Yesterday was a really solid day. We were short for the move down. We grabbed a long coming back. So we had two really nice shorts, 90.75 and then 78.25. And we bought the 74 area. So a lot of volatility makes for a really solid week. But this is an open where I think it might want to battle a little bit, and then the next move will kind of reveal itself. I'll be curious to see where next week's weekly pivot comes in, because that's going to be important Sunday into Monday. All right, take care. Have a great weekend. Trade them well. Come trade with us. And I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.